Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to take you on a tour of one of the most beautiful places in the world, which name is Kashmir, which has earned the title of paradise. There is no doubt that if someone asks you what is the name of paradise in the world, you can say Kashmir without any hesitation. When it comes to the Kashmir, it ends with the issue of occupied Kashmir or Azad Kashmir. In today's video, we will learn about the interesting and hidden secrets of Kashmir that you may not have known before. Kashmir is the region of land divided by three countries, and every country wants to include Kashmir, and the area under the control of India is called occupied Kashmir. The area occupied by China is called Aksai-Chin. Friends, these three countries are neighbors of each other, and these three countries use the same slogan that Kashmir is ours and belongs to all. Friends, the total area of Kashmir is 222,236 square kilometers. Is considered larger than one three countries in the world. The entire state of Kashmir has a population of about 18.5 million, which is more than 130 countries in terms of population. Kashmir is consisting of Gilgit-Baltistan, Azad Kashmir, Siachen Glacier, cover Jammu and Kashmir and the Ladakh area. All area of Kashmir are divided between Pakistan, India and China. The largest part of Kashmir is under the control of India. The area under the control of India constitutes 40% of total area of Kashmir. The Kashmir Valley includes Jammu and Ladakh. The total area of Indian administrated Kashmir is 11,387 square kilometer. According to 2011 data, the population of the Indian controlled Kashmir Valley is 8,88,475. The population of Jammu and Kashmir is 54 million, while the total population of Ladakh is 2,74,203. But let me make it clear to you that before 1962, India had an area of 1,30,200 square kilometer. But as a result of the war between China and India in 1962, India lost an area of 36,801 square kilometer. At present, the area of Kashmir Valley in Indian administration area is 15,948 square kilometer. Jammu 26,993 square kilometer and Ladakh 59,146 square kilometers. It is said that Mountbatten and Nehru at the time of the partition of India have signed the Treaty of Accession with India in exchange for protecting the power of Kashmiri Raja. And so the Kashmir Valley, Jammu and Ladakh came under Indian occupation. As far as Pakistan controlled Kashmir is concerned, 38% of the total area of Kashmir is under Pakistani administration called Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. And thus the area of Pakistani Kashmir becomes 48,100 square kilometer. When Kashmir was being annexed to India, some Kashmiri volunteers joined some tribesmen of the present KPK and occupied some area. During 1947 and 1948, some of the freedom-loving people here fought the War of Independence together with the locals and liberated the territory of Gilgit-Baltistan from the state of Kashmir. Gilgit-Baltistan remained independent for 70 days. Then Pakistan took control of Gilgit-Baltistan. The part of China occupied by Kashmir would be 16% of the total area of Kashmir. Areas controlled by the China Aksai-Chin was occupied by China during the war with India in 1962. This area is undisputed between India and China as it is between Jammu and Kashmir between Pakistan and India. The total area of Aksai-Chin is 36,813 kilometer and is connected with the border of India, but the small part of it is also connected to the Pakistani region of Gilgit-Baltistan. The Chinese controlled Chargam Valley shares a border with Pakistan and covers a total area of 27,000 square kilometer. The Siachen Glacier is located in the Himalayas at the end of the line of control in Kashmir. The length of this glacier is 76 km, and without a doubt, this glacier has a distinction of being the largest glacier in the world except pools. Due to the lack of demarcation of this glacier border between Pakistan and India, the armies of the two countries have come face to face many times. If we talk about the religion of the people living in Kashmir, then Pakistan administered Kashmir, Azad Kashmir, and Gilgit Baltistan have 99% Muslim population. Due to the lack of a demarcation of this glacier border between Pakistan and India, the armies of the two countries have come face to face many times. In Indian administered Kashmir, Jammu Valley, Kashmir, and Ladakh, 95% of the population is Muslim, 4% are Hindus, and 1% are people of other religion. Friends say that Kashmir is a paradise, and a pain in paradise cannot even feel the pain. But unfortunately, this paradise of Kashmiris has become hell for them. Despite the passage of the last 70 years, there is not a single moment in which Kashmiri has breathed a sigh of relief. The horrific situation in Jammu and Kashmir today is a sign of the curse on the face of those who teach the greatness of humanity all over the world, which is enough to shake the pride of any human being. The Kashmir Valley is a place of eternal life for natural guides and lovers of unparalleled beauty. Overall, the whole of Kashmir is a place of beauty and attractive scenery, but there are dozens of fascinating places in the Indian administered Jammu and Kashmir Valley whose viewers forget to blink their eyes. Here is a brief introduction to some of the beautiful and charming places of occupied Kashmir. Srinagar. Srinagar is a unique place in occupied Kashmir that catches the eye of the beholder and captivates man with its enchanting atmosphere. Gulmarg. This area makes such a place in the heart of the viewers thanks to its snow-capped mountains. The heart says here, flowers, trees, plains, and snow on the mountains give such peace to the heart. Ladakh. The area offers spectacular views of the great mountains and lakes. Kapwara. Kapwara is a reflection of the beautiful scenery here, which has given it the honor of being the crown of Kashmir, where the greenery and clear water have added four moons to its beauty. Apart from them, at Hans, Pahalgam, Pulwama, Kargil, there are beautiful areas of occupied Kashmir which you will forget to go back after seeing. I will make a video and inform in details. Thank you.